everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mirroring your video on VivaVideo apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your VivaVideo apps, you just click on the edit at the bottom. And after this, you can swipe until you can see edit. And then you can click on it. And in here you can click on the mirror, this one, click on it and finish. It's so simple, right? So that's how to mirroring your video on VivaVideo apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy video content, please consider like, comment and subscribe down below. Bye bye.